Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to verify game files on Steam. First, open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you are logged in to your Steam account. Now go to the top left corner and click on the Library tab. This shows you all the games you own on Steam. Find the game you want to check. Right-click on the game's name in the list on the left side of the screen. A menu will appear. In that menu, click on Properties. A new window will open. On the left side of that window, click on the option called Installed Files. Then look to the right and click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now start checking your game files. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. You don't need to do anything while it runs. When it finishes, Steam will tell you if it finds any issues. If there are missing or damaged files, Steam will re-download them automatically. After it's done, you can close the window and try launching the game again. In most cases, verifying the files solves common problems. If the problem continues after this, you may need to try other solutions. However, verifying the files is always a good first step. That's it. Thanks for watching.